In this video, you'll learn how to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to your Exodus wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully move your assets from one platform to another with ease. Begin by opening your Exodus wallet on either your mobile device or desktop. Once you're inside the application, look for the cryptocurrency that you wish to receive. After selecting the appropriate cryptocurrency, locate and click on the receive option. This action will display your wallet address. It is essential to carefully copy this address without making any errors. Additionally, ensure that the network selected matches the one used on Binance. This step prepares your destination wallet for the incoming transfer. Next, navigate to the Binance platform and sign in to your account. After successfully logging in, go to the wallet section of the interface. Here you will find the option to withdraw funds. Click on withdraw and then select the same cryptocurrency that you previously prepared in your Exodus wallet. In the address field, paste the wallet address you copied earlier. Make sure to choose the correct network that corresponds with your Exodus wallet settings. Finally, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. This step initiates the transfer process. After entering the necessary information, you will need to complete Binance's security verification to confirm your withdrawal. This may include two-factor authentication or other security checks, depending on your account settings. Once verification is complete, you can monitor the transaction status by checking your withdrawal history. On Binance, it is important to wait for the necessary blockchain confirmations to ensure the transaction is processed correctly. As you await the transfer, periodically check your Exodus wallet for an update on your balance. The funds should appear once the transaction is fully confirmed on the blockchain. Additionally, it's advisable to save the transaction hash provided by Binance for your records. This hash can be used to track the transaction on the blockchain if needed. This step ensures you have a reference for your transfer in case any issues arise. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.